Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question 1 of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, tick one box to show which word accurately describes the scope of a variable declared in a procedure. To solve this question, let's first understand the meaning and different available scopes of variables. Scope of a variable determines where the variable can be accessed and modified. There are 3 main types of variable scope: local scope, session scope, global scope. Let's have a look at each of the scope type. First of all, local scope. This scope is associated to local variables which exist only within a procedure and cannot be accessed outside that procedure. Secondly, session scope. The scope associated to session variables persists during a user session and can be accessed by multiple procedures. Lastly, global scope. The scope associated to global variables which are available system-wide and can be accessed by multiple procedures. But such variables require very careful handling to avoid unintended modifications. Great! Now we have a clear understanding of the scope of variables and can conclude the answer that scope of a variable declared in a procedure is the local scope, so our answer is option C. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos of other questions in this paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.